Yeah, if you say that the greater force, Earth is attracting the moon with the greater force, okay, तो मून पूरा अर्थ पे गिर जाना चाहिए ना. Yes, correct. It is same force. This question, okay, understand it. कहाँ गया ये रहा, ठीक है. So if we are telling that, yeah, can you hear me? Yes, so write down answer. Yes, I told you because same force. If more force is done by the earth, the moon will come on the earth and you will play on moon. Is it? So it will be good then. So write down answer. I am giving orally. Write down answer. I am giving orally. From the question you can write down. Same force. Same force from the question. Okay. Same force is applied. Same force is applied. Now reason they are giving. Okay. Reason. What is the reason for this? Mm, as per the third law of motion, and that chapter is left, we will do afterwards. As per the third law of motion. Now one more question like this way. This much only, yeah, short, because this question is no qualitative. It is not quantitative. Qualitative. You should understand science and you should write. Everybody should understand it. Whether you people thought that Earth is bigger, so it will be bigger, greater. No, it is not greater. Okay. So write down only one line answer. Same way here also down is there. Question number 5. If the moon same force is applied, same force is applied. That is the first answer. Then why? Now answer of why. Okay. Same force is applied as per the third law of motion. Newton's third law, as per the third law of motion. Hmm? Okay, same type of question is there. If the moon attracts the earth, why does the earth not move towards the moon? If the moon attracts, we know that both have gravitational force and both are attracting or maintaining their place. Then why does the earth not move towards the moon? Why does the earth not move towards the moon? So you can have the answer if, write down. We have to write this first. Okay. If the moon attracts the earth, if the moon attracts the earth, now you can say, now as you thought that earth is bigger and force will be big. But that answer will come here. Earth is bigger, mass is more. Is it? Okay, so write down answer in this way. If the moon attracts the earth does not move. We have to continue from here. The earth does not move towards the moon. The earth does not move towards the moon because, first line you can write, first line, because earth is much larger, because earth is much larger. I'm writing, okay. This is the answer. Earth is much, this is the first point. You are continuing from your question, okay. Earth is much larger than moon. THAN, okay, than moon. Next point. So you can see in the screen, acceleration produced by the moon, acceleration produced by the moon towards the earth, towards the earth is negligible. Negligible means what? Not much, yes, because very small. Moon is very small compared to the earth. So acceleration from the moon to the earth is very small, and so earth does not go towards the moon. Okay, and more thing, because of mass. Here main point is mass, because acceleration depends on the mass. If you know acceleration formula. No, this gravitational acceleration depends. Okay, gravitational acceleration, capital M. It depends on capital M. Now next question. What is the next question? Yes. Pardon? Same gravitational force. See, gravitational force and gravitational acceleration right now here different. According to physics, it is different. Gravitational force and gravitational acceleration. Okay? So force will, yes. See, force of gravitational and gravitational acceleration is different, because very small difference in force, gravitational force and gravitational acceleration. So both are different here in our chapter. फोर्स मतलब दोनों कितना फोर्स लगा रहे हैं एक दूसरे को खींचने के लिए, तो दोनों सेम फोर्स लगा रहे हैं ताकि वो अपनी जगह पे रहे हुए हैं। लेकिन एक्सेलरेशन तो मून क्यों पूरा अंदर नहीं आ रहा है, या फिर मून अर्थ को पूरा क्यों नहीं खींच रहा है, क्योंकि नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट द मास, बिकॉज कैपिटल जी, स्मॉल जी, इफ यू गो फॉर द स्मॉल जी डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट, capital M. Capital M means mass of the planet. If I go for it, mass of the planet. So mass of the earth is more than that of the moon. And so acceleration will be more for the earth. And that is why earth will not go towards the moon. Hmm? Now next question. Okay, next question. Just read it. What happens to the force between two objects? हाँ ये तो short में आंसर लिख लो चलो. What happens to the force between two objects if the mass of one object is double? Okay, अब फॉर्मूला लिखिए आप इस एक के लिए. We will write down the formula for F. This answer you will be writing, you will get by your own. F is equal to G M into M by R square. If I write R square D square, one and the same thing. Okay, now read the question from your textbook. I am keeping this formula in front of you. What happens to the force, मतलब इसको, इसमें क्या changes होंगे, understand is इसमें क्या changes होंगे. The mass of one object means ये object है, small m is an object. Mass of one object is doubled. अगर ये double हो रहा है तो ये भी कितना होगा, डबल. तो समझे फॉर्मूला के ऊपर से, if this is more then this will be also more. Clear? Okay, so yes, so write down first answer. Write down first answer. Force. Okay, let me reduce it. Write down first answer. Write with me. Force will also get doubled. If my pen is going out of screen, you can tell me, teacher, it is going out of doubled. Because why? Now we are taking only simple one, only ऊपर वाला मैं ले रही हूँ, ठीक है? Why? Because F is, here I am not taking G. F is directly proportional to M into M. So अगर ये डबल हो रहा है तो ये डबल होगा, ठीक है? This is the first answer. Write down. Yeah. Now second question. Yeah. Okay. Second question. What is the second question? The distance between, distance means ये मैं बोल रही हूँ, ठीक है? अब मैं यहाँ पे D लिख रही हूँ, ठीक है? अरे यार, started beta? Okay beta. Yes, then okay, we'll continue afterwards. Yes, you can leave.